Hello dear students, welcome to the chemistry sessions. I am Dr. Jadhav SA. Herein we discuss, this is the very important part of this is the reactions of aryl halide. As we know, this is the reactions of aryl halide is that. So one of the most important reactions of aryl halide, that is what? This is the one of the ipso substitution types of the reaction. What I can say, ipso substitution reaction. So this is the part of the nucleophilic types of the substitution reactions, particularly on aromatic compound. If we are having the types of the compound is that this is our X, you have to take this order X atom. This is X is replaced by this is the nucleophiles, which is having the replacement of the nucleophile on the aromatic nucleus. The types of the substitution reaction as what nucleophilic is replaced by nucleophile. The types on aromatic nucleus, nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile on aromatic. Types of the substitution reaction is known as what? Ipso substitution reaction. So here in this is ipso substitution reaction, which types and how the question is asked in your board exam as well as competitive exam. If we are having these types of the reactant molecule, this is nothing but chlorobenzene. So another types of the reactant, again the substitution types of the compound यहाँ पे हम लेंगे. So that is the different types of the substitution. Here is what electron withdrawing group. NO2 act as an electron withdrawing group. It is taken electron withdrawing group chlorine atom. Here this chlorobenzene. This is what NO2. This is only simple chlorobenzene. Here is what para-nitrochlorobenzene. This is what para-nitrochlorobenzene. Here is a para-nitrochlorobenzene, and here is what you can say. This is a ortho. This is a 2,4 dinitrochlorobenzene. So these are the four reactions. These are the four reactant molecules we are going to. This is the part of the reaction. How the reaction is takes place, how the reaction is carried out by using this is the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Instead, this is the NaOH, sodium hydroxide is here. So the types of the reaction, it is depend upon the rate of the reaction. So which types of the reaction undergoes the fast? The question is asked, which types of the reaction undergoes fast reaction? Here the temperature is required. This is what 6 to 3. यहाँ पे 4 to 3. यहाँ पे होगा आपका 3 to 3. Or you can say this is what 368. You can say 368 Kelvin. The temperature is given 6 to 3, 4 to 3, 368, and it is only simple warm. Simple warm मतलब simple आपको वहाँ पे क्या करना है, heat करना है. So which types of the reaction undergoes fast? This is what? This reaction undergoes fast. This reaction undergoes fast. Why this reaction undergoes fast? Due to what? There is a presence of more electron withdrawing group. 3 electron withdrawing group इथं आहे, म्हणून ही reaction काय होते? Fast होते. Why? When this is the hydroxy as a nucleophile which attack on these types of the carbon. This hydroxy having tendency to attack on this carbon and this loss of this. Here is a slow reaction is takes place. Why? Because of these types of the carbon compared to these three reactant molecule. This is more acidic. These types of the carbon undergoes more acidic. It goes to the more acidic. Why? Because of there is a 3 electron withdrawing group having tendency to abstract the electrons, and it becomes to the more acidic. That's why this reaction undergoes fast. This reaction undergoes fast, and formation of your product, that is nothing but picric acid. The types of the product is obtained. This is nothing but what? Picric acid. What I can say? The name of the compound is known as picric acid. So this is formation of what? Picric acid product. So here, in this case, if I am having these types of the compound, this chlorine is replaced by hydroxy group. There is requirement of the times. I can say this is the requirement. What is the how many times is required for the formation of the product? Here is order. This is these types of the compound. This is the OH. Here is order NO2 group, and this is the para-nitro here. This is nothing but NO2 acetate. Okay, so this is order. These types of the reaction undergoes how many times? यहाँ पे कितना times लगेगा और इस reaction को कितना? So this reaction undergoes 1 to 5 minute, only 1 to 5 minute, or you can say this is a 5 to 10 minute. ये reaction 5 to 10 मिनट में हो जाएगा. इस रिएक्शन को 1 to 2 hours टाइम लगेगा. This reaction undergoes 1 to 2 hours. Again what? This another types of the reaction. This types requirement 40, for example 40 to 60 minutes, and this is required to again what 30 to what you can say 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, 20 to 30. So here the observation is that whenever the electron withdrawing group, number of electron withdrawing group is increases on the benzene nucleus for the nucleophilic substitution reaction, the rate of the reaction is increases. तो यहाँ पे रेट की हम बात करेंगे, रिएक्शन की यहाँ पे रेट की बात करेंगे. हम राइटिंग दिस इज द रेट. तो रेट के ऑर्डर हम लिख सकते हैं इस रिएक्शन में. सो दैट इज द फोर्थ वन रिएक्शन इज अंडरगोस फास्ट, then third one, and what was second one, and what was first one. So this is what are the types of the reaction